guys, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, welcome. I'm Shannon Lee, the Veggie Nut, and I make all kinds of vegan related videos to help you live a more healthy, compassionate life. If that's something that sounds interesting to you, hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell. That way you don't miss any future videos. Now let's get right into this one. Today's video is a little something different. I'm doing a tag video. My friend Jenny over at Team Broccoli tagged me to do the 20 questions about me video, and I thought it would be something different and fun and helps you get to know me a little more on a more personal level. I don't think these questions are that personal. They're pretty basic, but yeah, there was something fun, so let's get right into it. My middle name's Lee, that's why I go by Shannon Lee. What a concept, right? I wasn't really a fan of school, so I really didn't like any of the subjects, but if I had to pick, it would be art and science. Those were the two classes I didn't mind going to. So yeah, things like biology and all different art classes, photography, things like that. Not going by health or what I drink most throughout the day, just on taste. I would say my favorite drink is beer. I love beer, and I also love bourbon, but if I had to go by what I drink the most, I would say lemon water. I like flavored natural seltzer water and tea, and I also like coffee. But yeah, just going by taste alone, my favorite drink would be beer. I'm a beer lover. I don't really have a favorite song at the moment. Pretty much all of my favorite songs are just my favorite songs in general. I'll tell you a really great song that I have stuck in my head right now, and that's Rock Lobster from the B-52s. I've had that stuck in my head for over a week now. Bacon, potatoes, bacon in the sun. You know, so yeah, that's just stuck in my head. I'll tell you some of my favorite songs. I'm probably gonna forget some. I have so many favorite songs. Well, first of all, I love anything David Bowie and Elvis Presley. They're my faves, so I love all of their stuff. But some of my favorites from David Bowie, my favorite songs would be Life on Mars, Starman, Lady Grin Soul, Modern Love. There's a lot of them, but that's what comes to my head right away. Elvis Presley, If I Could Dream, that's probably one of my favorites. Two of my favorite songs are from the Hollies. I really love The Air That I Breathe and Long Cool Woman in a Black Dress. Now I'm going into my Spotify because I'm trying to remember all my favorite songs. Spirit in the Sky, Hold On, Wilson Phillips, yes, cheesy, but I love it. Goodbye Horses, the one from Silence of the Lambs, Q Lazarus, I love that song. Stay, Lisa Loeb, All I Want to Do, Sheryl Crow, Run Around, Blues Travelers, Hook, Blues Travelers, REM, It's the End of the World as We Know It, Shake Your Groove Thing, Peaches and Herb, Far Behind, Candlebox, Every Day by Buddy Holly, Don't Bring Me Down, ELO, Say That You Love Me, Fleetwood Mac. I like a lot of songs, but yeah, those are some of my faves that I can think of right now. I played basketball and softball, and I sucked at both of them. I really love Gillian Flynn, the author, so I like all of her books, and I'd have to say Gone Girl was my favorite. That was the one I really liked the most. I read it twice, and then it came out in the movies, and I loved the movie as well, so I'd probably say Gone Girl was my favorite, but I like all of her books. I really like her way of writing. It's dark, it's really twisted. I like her, I don't know, style and way of writing. Purple is definitely my favorite color. I love purple. I like anything purple, dark purple, lavender, all different shades of purple. So that's my #1 favorite, and I really like pink too. I like hot pink. I like all different kinds of bold, like neon colors. I like hot pink, lime green, bright yellow. Like, look at my nails. They are very neon. I like very bright, bold, fun colors, especially in the summer. I like anything neon. And I also really like the colors like dusty rose and mauve. I like more so wearing them. I I love animals, so this is a real toughie because I love so many different kinds of animals, but of course I love dogs, and it's really great because I'm able to live with them, so that's a bonus. And I especially love Chihuahuas. I have a soft spot for them. They're my favorites. But yeah, I love dogs, and I love squirrels, I love birds, I love elephants. I really like penguins. Oh, I love monkeys. Yeah. All of my favorite perfumes are by the brand Pacifica. I absolutely love Pacifica, and I'm very picky with my perfumes because I usually find that perfume is too overwhelming and strong, so I don't wear perfume a lot, but I love Pacifica's perfume because I don't like floral perfumes, and the only perfumes I like are like sweeter stuff like vanilla, coconut, like fruity stuff. So I love that they make all the stuff that I love. I got 2 vanilla perfumes. One is the Island Vanilla Perfume, just the perfume bottle, and then the other one is the Island Vanilla Perfume Hair and Body Mist. So I love both of them. And then they also have spray bottles and roll-ons, and I have a whole bunch of Pacifica stuff, but these just happen to be my favorite scents. Then I have one that is Indian Coconut Nectar. I love that one. And this one is Patchouli Berry, and I love patchouli too. So yeah, those are my favorite scents from the brand Pacifica. My favorite holidays are definitely Christmas and Halloween, hands down. Nope. Not well. I barely speak English well, so yeah. I speak very little German. Ich verstehe nur ein bisschen. And Spanish, even less Spanish, because I took a few years in high school, but I forgot most of it. I only know the basics, and I only know some German because I'm German. I know a lot with the name Shannon. A lot of people think I'm Irish, but I'm actually German. No, I'm the only child. Well, it depends what I'm shopping for. I seem to be at Target a lot, so I'd have to say Target's definitely one of my favorites. For clothes, I like TJ Maxx, and sometimes I'll check out Forever 21. Sometimes they have some good finds. And I love Sephora, and oh, Whole Foods, health food stores, things like that. I actually can't think of one off the top of my head. I honestly hardly ever go out to eat. I like to make my own food, and even when I have gone out to eat, I can't really think of, like, I don't have like a favorite place. But if I am gonna go out to eat, oh, I do like this Ethiopian place in New York City. What's it called? Buna Cafe, or is it Buna? Buna? Buna Cafe. It's in Brooklyn, New York, and it's a vegan Ethiopian food place, and oh my god, I love Ethiopian food. It's probably one of my favorite cuisines. It's so good. That and Indian food. They give you this huge tray of just a variety of food. It's so good. The only bad thing, which is why I don't go to eat there a lot, is it is extremely salty. Like, it's where you're eating it and you're like, whoa, I could taste that. Like, I wish they would cut back on the salt because it's actually, it takes away from the other flavors. That's the only downside. If they cut back on the salt, I'd probably go there a lot more often. If I am gonna go out to eat, I prefer to go somewhere like that, like an Ethiopian place, an Indian place, because I'm not good at making that food myself, or it would be really time consuming to make all the different sides and everything. So that's worth going out to eat. No, I did not like school at all. I did not like the actual school part. I liked hanging out. I used it kind of as a socializing thing. To be honest, I was like a burnout. I wasn't a good student at all. Somehow I graduated. It's amazing. But yeah, I did graduate and everything, but I did not like being at school. I'd rather be like outside, you know, hanging out with people. I don't watch watch that much YouTube, and I actually don't watch a lot of vegan YouTubers, like at all. I probably watch like a handful of vegan YouTubers, and they're my friends, so I just watch them to catch up and see what's going on. So what do I watch on YouTube? I like to watch, I'm also into cruelty-free makeup, so I watch some cruelty-free beauty vloggers, tutorials. I like to watch music videos. I also like some ASMR. I'm kind of particular with it. I only like certain things, and other things drive me crazy. My favorite ASMR artist is Gently Whispering ASMR. So I like her, and I have a guilty pleasure. I watch Amberlynn Reid. If I had to pick just one favorite movie, it would definitely be Labyrinth. That's my all-time favorite movie, but I do like a lot of movies, so I'm going to tell you some of my other favorites, okay? What About Bob, Falling Down, I Love You to Death, Yes Man, Coneheads, Beetlejuice, Seeking a Friend for the End of the World, Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind, The Punisher, Return of the Living Dead, Pulp Fiction, The Blues Brothers, Misery, Gone Girl, A Christmas Vacation, The Shawshank Redemption was a great movie, definitely up there. My favorite TV show ever, my all-time favorite TV show that I could watch over and over and over and over, I watch reruns all the time, and I am so excited that they came out with more, is Roseanne. I am such a huge Roseanne fan, so the fact that they came out with another season, oh my god, I was so excited. I still am so excited. Like, every Tuesday I'm like, yes, I'm so excited. And I think they're doing a great job with it too. I'm loving the new season so far, so very happy with it. Some other favorite shows, King of Queens, Dharma and Greg, SpongeBob SquarePants, It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia, Curb Your Enthusiasm. I loved the Dexter series. Oh my god, I was such a huge Dexter fan, so I loved that show. I really liked The Vampire Diaries. I was sad that that ended recently. I was also really big into Roswell. That was like the late 90s. I don't know if you guys know that show, but I was a huge Roswell fan. So yeah, that holds a place in my heart forever. On Netflix, I really love the show Black Mirror. It's kind of like a Twilight Zone where every episode is like a mini story. You don't have to watch them in order. Of course, I like some episodes more than others, but I just love the show. My favorite episode ever is San Junipero. I love that one. I really like White Christmas. I like the last episode of the last season. I forgot what that one was called, but San Junipero. If you're gonna watch any episode, watch that one. Love it. And also on Netflix, I love the OA. They only came out with one season so far. I'm anxiously waiting the second season. It's just a really good story. It's very unique and different and not like anything else, I don't think, so I really love it. Other than Roseanne, I don't really watch a lot of current shows. I would say I watch My 600 Pound Life and the show Younger. I'm 5'8", and that's the end of the questions. I hope that wasn't too long and painful. I wanted to make this video quick, but I tend to ramble, so I'm sure it came out a lot longer than I expected. Sorry about that. So I'm gonna tag my friend Alessandra. Her channel name is A Vegan Everywhere. We actually met here on YouTube, and then we hung out in real life and have become friends, so that's awesome. She's a vegan chef, so she makes some recipe videos, and she also does some drunk vegan taste test videos, which are really fun, and we're gonna have to get together and do one of those videos together one day. That will be fun. And yeah, go check out her channel, and I also tag anybody else who wants to do this video. If you do it, let me know so I could come over and watch your video. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye! Hit the subscribe button down below and that notification bell. And I got a phone call. Hold on. Hello. Hey, no, no.